The first thing we need to do is substitute this value for theta. Oh, there's a typo because that says x. The first thing we need to do is substitute this value for x. -1 plus 1/2 and cosine of 2 times pi over 6 minus pi over 2. And then in here, reduce, this is going to be pi over 3. So we need to figure out pi over 3 minus pi over 2. How much is that? So get a common denominator of 6. And this one is going to be 2 pi minus 3 pi, so that's negative pi over 6. And then pi over 6. So I want to see if this is 30 degrees or 60 degrees or 90 degrees, something common like that. So pi over 6, if you convert it by multiplying by 180 over pi, well, the pi's are going to cancel, and then 6 will divide into 180 30 times. And so we're actually dealing with cosine of negative 30 degrees. Alright, then if I have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, I can get the exact value of that. So let's say this is the 60 degrees and this is the 30 degrees. So across from 30 degrees is the smallest side 1, the hypotenuse is the biggest 2, and across from 60 is the square root of 3. And then let's find cosine of 30. So cosine of 30 degrees, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and now what about cosine of negative 30 degrees? Again, use a smart trig class, and negative 30 degrees would be down here, so that would be in the fourth quadrant where cosine is supposed to be positive. So we actually get a positive square root of 3 over 2. And at this point I would like to check that before I go on. So still in radians, go back and check this, or I can even check this one to make sure that I did this work right and this work right and this work right and this. So take cosine of 2 times pi over 6 minus pi over 2, and it should be the square root of 3 over 2. So then just double check, is that the square root of 3 over 2? Excellent. Then we can go on. So it's equal to the positive square root of 3 over 2. So this is going to be radical 3 over 4. So we need to get this one to be a 4 over 4 so that we've got a common denominator. So it's a common denominator of 4, and then we've got negative 4 plus a radical 3.